Welcome to On the Job with Chris, and I got another one for you. Today, I want to talk to my women, and I want to let y'all know about these. I want to teach y'all something about these smoke detectors, man. Because every time I'm on live and I'm looking at y'all videos, all I hear is a smoke detector beeping in the background, bro. So to prevent all of this, I'm finna show you exactly what to do. You're gonna grab this. Hold on, I want you to listen to it beep first. Okay, there go the beep. So we're gonna take this down. You see this cord? All you gonna do, hold on. All you gonna do, hold on. All you gotta do is disconnect this cord, take it out of here, and then you're gonna open this part. You're gonna open the battery. You're gonna open the battery slot. Take this out. Take the battery out, man. Hold on, let me put it down for you. I can't even get it out. Hold on. Okay, take the battery out and get a new battery. Put it in there and close it. Get a new battery, put it in here and close it. And then what you want to do, you gotta put that cord back in here. You gotta put this cord back into this slot. So that's what we're gonna do. Take this cord. You see? We're gonna take that cord and put it back in here. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it back on there. And then you wanna hold this. And then you wanna let it go. That's gonna test the system and let you know what's going on. So without further ado, you straight after that. You know what I'm saying? While you on live, we ain't gotta hear it beeping in your background. So for more videos, follow and subscribe to On the Job with Chris, because you already know. If you ain't on the job with Chris, then who you on the job with?